how to install Instagram Lite on Android. So if you want to install the Instagram Lite application, then first of all you need to check the internet connection. And after having a stable internet connection, you can open up your Play Store and go for the search bar and search for Instagram Lite. And then here you will have your Instagram Lite application. So if you want to install it, then you can simply go for install, tap on that install button, and it will start downloading, or it will start installing, and it may take some time depending on your Wi-Fi or your data connection. And after installing, you can simply go for open, which is on the right side, and from here you can allow your contacts if you want to, and then you can simply log into your account, or you can create your account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.